Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. So today I'm gonna show you 4, 7, 8 breathing exercise to release your tension and relax your mind. Okay, so follow me. So we're gonna inhale through the nose, count of 4. Ready? Inhale through the nose. And hold your breath 7 count. Use 8 count to breathe out from your mouth. We're gonna repeat this 4 times. Ready? Inhale. Fold. Exhale. Second set. Third set. Inhale. Last set. You may feel tremendous relaxation every day 4 set. Or if you are start familiar with this exercise, twice daily. Okay, so now next one. Finger tracing breathing exercise. Okay, so place your fingers this way and trace with other finger, and then as you go up, inhale through the nose. As you go down, exhale through your mouth. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, and exhale. We're gonna try other side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let's repeat as again. Second set. To set every time you need to have some kind of relaxation and mindfulness. Okay. The next one. Okay. So from here, we're gonna take a child pose. Two upper facing. So we're gonna do waving child pose, like wave. use your spine like a wave. This way. Make sure keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. Let's take a pause here. And slowly roll up. And from here, we're gonna do hip center position. We're gonna do a side stretch with movement. Inhale, exhale, other side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more set. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So now we're gonna do heart opening exercise. Okay? Stay there, sitting down and palm down, finger facing forward. And from here, just stretch your chest. Okay, open up your chest, engage your shoulder blades together, and gaze dristy slightly upward. And here, let's take deep 5 breaths. Inhale, fill up air in your lung, and exhale, release. Inhale, open up the chest, widen your collarbone, exhale. Inhale, lifting up your heart. One more deep inhale. Now slowly lay down on your back. And let's take letter of 4. Hook your leg over your knee and hug your knee to your chest. And here, feel free to flex your toes and point. Flex and point. Flex. Point. Flex. Point on your own. And all the way, bring your knee to your right. Open your chest, gaze to the left. And press your knee down. Take between 5 to 8 breaths here. Inhale, exhale back to center, and let's do the other side. Hook your right over your left knee, hug your left knee. And here, feel free to do flex your toes and point. Flex and point on your own. Between 5 to 8 deep breath. Bring your knee all the way to the left and open your chest to the right. And gently press your knee down. Again, spend between 5 to 8 breaths here. When you're ready, deep inhale, exhale back to center and stretch your forearms. And take final pose of Shavasana. Deep inhale, exhale, relax, let it go. For more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!